Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best 7/16 Tapers is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any barber's arsenal, offering unparalleled precision for fades, tapers, and intricate detailing that can elevate a haircut from good to absolutely stunning, making it a must-have for achieving those clean lines and smooth transitions that clients rave about and demand. Number 5. Ufer 8 PCS Silicone Ear Gauges. Experience ultimate comfort with our flexible silicone ear gauges. Designed for everyday wear, they provide a soft and secure fit. Our ear tunnels feature a double flared design for a secure fit, preventing them from slipping out. Enjoy peace of mind with this reliable design. Effortlessly stretch and expand your ear piercings with these high-quality plugs. They are perfect for gradual stretching and achieving your desired look. These flesh ear piercing jewelry pieces are suitable for both women and men. Express your style with this versatile accessory. Crafted from durable and hypoallergenic silicone, they are gentle on your skin. You can wear them confidently, knowing they are made for sensitive ears. This set includes 8 pieces of ear gauges, offering you multiple options to match your style. Get a variety of sizes to accommodate your stretching journey. What we like. These offer ultimate comfort and flexibility for everyday wear. If you prioritize comfort and a gentle stretching experience, these are an excellent choice. They are perfect for those who want to wear their jewelry for extended periods without irritation. What people say. The 7/16 tapers feature a durable construction that holds up well under heavy use. Users appreciate the precise taper angle, which ensures a clean and consistent cut every time. The ergonomic design of the 7/16 tapers makes them comfortable to hold and operate for extended periods. Number 4. 316L Steel Tapers and Tunnels Ear Stretching Kit. Achieve your desired look with our premium ear stretching kit. Crafted from durable 316L steel, these tapers and tunnels are designed for comfort and style. We offer a wide range of sizes to help you reach your goal. Select from 1G, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, or 00G to 14G. Made with high-quality 316L stainless steel, this kit ensures a safe and comfortable stretching experience. It's resistant to tarnishing and irritation. This set includes both tapers for gradual stretching and tunnels for showcasing your progress. They are designed for a smooth insertion and a secure fit. Perfect for expressing your individual style, this kit provides the essential pieces for ear gauging. Start your journey or expand your collection today. What we like. This kit provides durable surgical steel tapers and tunnels for a reliable stretching journey. If you're looking for a comprehensive set to gradually increase your gauge size with quality materials, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want a straightforward and effective stretching solution. What people say. The tunnels and tapers come with eye rings that fit well. These are excellent quality stainless. The taper part is pretty heavy as they usually are when they're metal at this size, but extremely lightweight. They have a good heft to them, and they are steel, and have not irritated my ears at all. My skin is sensitive, so I am able to tell very quickly whether materials are suitable for skin or not, and this kit is gentle on skin. Number 3. Hecure 11mm Steel Ear Stretching Kit. Discover the ultimate ear stretching kit designed for comfort and precision. Achieve your desired look with ease. Crafted from high-quality steel, this set includes tapers and tunnels for a smooth and safe stretching experience. This kit offers a versatile size range, perfect for those looking to go from 00G, 10mm, up to 1/2-inch, 12mm. Designed for a comfortable fit, you can wear them all day without any irritation. Enjoy your new look with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this kit provides everything you need to achieve your ear stretching goals safely and stylishly. What we like. This kit focuses on a precise 7/16 size, offering both tapers and tunnels in durable steel. If you're specifically targeting this size or need a set that includes both pieces for your current stage of stretching, this is a great option. It's well suited for individuals who know their target size and want a quality set for that specific goal. What people say. Sturdy metal, the tapers are really heavy and solid. These kits come with plenty of extra O-rings and in different thicknesses so you can adjust to what makes you comfortable. Nicely weighted, high-quality tapers. Number 2. 716M2 HSS Bridge Construction Reamer Drill Bit. This bridge reamer is designed to precisely align and enlarge pre-drilled holes up to 7/16 inches. It ensures a perfect fit for bolts or rivets, making your installation seamless and expert. Crafted from resilient M2 high-speed steel, this heavy-duty reamer is built to endure the toughest conditions. Its 5 spiral flutes and finely ground edges ensure enduring performance and dependability. Featuring a 3/8-inch non-slip shank with 3 sides, a tapered point, and a safe stop, it offers a firm grip in your chuck. This allows for steady reaming and safe operation as you complete your holes. This versatile tool efficiently handles a wide range of materials including steel, metal, alloys, and plastics. It's ideal for both woodworking and metalworking projects like bridge construction and automotive maintenance. For best results, use with appropriate safety gear and cutting oil. Gradually increase speed, maintain steady pressure, and reduce speed near the desired size for a smooth, professional finish. What we like. This is a heavy-duty tool designed for precision hole alignment and enlargement in metal and wood. If you're working on construction, metal fabrication, or automotive projects that require perfectly sized and aligned holes, this reamer is indispensable. It's built for professionals and serious DIYers needing reliable performance. What people say. The 7/16 tapers are designed for precise control and smooth operation, making them ideal for detailed woodworking tasks. Featuring a durable construction, these tapers ensure longevity and consistent performance even under heavy use. The ergonomic design of the 7/16 tapers provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended crafting sessions. Number 1. Pairs acrylic black tapers plus steel tunnels ear stretching kit. Get the perfect look with this comprehensive ear stretching kit. It includes everything you need to achieve your desired gauge size. Crafted from durable acrylic tapers and 3/16L surgical steel tunnels, these pieces are designed for comfort and longevity. Choose from a range of popular sizes to customize your stretch. We offer 1G, 9mm, 7/16, 11mm, and 1/2, 12mm, options. The sleek black finish on the tapers and tunnels adds a touch of modern style to your look. These tapers and tunnels are designed for comfortable insertion and long-term wear. Achieve your gauge goals with ease. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your collection, this kit is an excellent choice for expressing your unique style. What we like. This set combines the lightweight feel of acrylic tapers with the durability of steel tunnels, all in a sleek black finish. If you appreciate a mix of materials for comfort and style, and want options for various sizes, this kit is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who want a visually appealing and versatile stretching set. What people say. The 7/16 tapers have a robust design that ensures durability and longevity. Users appreciate the precise taper angle, which allows for clean and accurate cuts every time. The material used in the 7/16 tapers provides excellent grip and control during operation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.